Hello, I am A. Kumar, 18 BCT 0035, class of 3rd BCT. My topic is data modeling concepts. Data modeling. Data modeling is a process used to define and analyze data requirements needed to support the business processes within the scope of corresponding information system in organizations. Therefore, the process of data modeling involves professional data modelers working closely with business stakeholders as well as potential users of the information system. Types. There are three different types of data models: conceptual data model, logical data model, and physical data model. These data models produced while progressing from requirements to the actual database to be used for the information system. Data modeling process. Activity model detailed data requirements. There are contents into the create update logical data model. These are transferred to conceptual data model. Conceptual data model includes entities, subtypes, attributes, relationships, integrity rules. These are transferred to the create update physical data model. Create update physical data model contains technical environment and performance consideration. These are transferred to the physical data model. Physical data model block contain tables, columns, keys, indices, triggers. These are transferred to the create update data. Create update data contains business data. This all things contains data. Data modeling types. The data requirements are initially recorded as a conceptual data model, which is essentially a set of technology independent specification about the data and is used to discuss initial requirements with the business stakeholders. The conceptual model is then translated into a logical data model, which documents structures of the data that can be implemented in databases. Implementation of one conceptual data model may require multiple logical data models. The last step in data modeling is transforming the logical data model to a physical data model that organizes the data into tables and accounts for access, performance, and storage details. Data modeling defines not just data elements but also their structures and their relationship between them. Data modeling example. Data modeling techniques and methodologies are used to model data in standard, consistent, predictable manner in order to manage it as a resource. The uses of data modeling stance is strongly recommended for all projects requiring a standard means of defining and analyzing data within an organization. Example, using data modeling to assist business analysts, programmers, testers, manual writers, IT package selectors, engineers, managers, related organizations, and client to understand and use an agreed upon semi-formal model that encompasses the concept of the organization and how they related to one another. to manage data as a resources, for the integration of information systems, for designing databases, data warehouses. Data modeling may be performed during various types of projects and in multiple phases of projects. Data modeling are progressive. There is no such thing as the final data model for a business or application. Thank you.